Battery life is one of the most important things people care about when buying a new smartphone. Every year, phone makers promise all-day battery, but that phrase can mean many different things. In most cases, their testing doesn't really match how people actually use their phones in daily life. Real usage often includes long social media sessions, watching videos, replying to messages, and using the phone outdoors with the screen brightness turned all the way up. To get a clearer picture of what real battery life looks like, the iPhone 17 Pro Max was used as a daily phone for several days while carefully tracking usage. Instead of relying on marketing claims, every minute of screen time was recorded. This made it possible to see how the battery performs in normal situations, including light use days and heavier use days. The test lasted 6 days, and the phone used during this period was a global iPhone 17 Pro Max model, not the eSIM-only version. At the time of testing, the battery health was still at 100%, and the phone had only gone through 7 battery cycles. This means the battery was still in excellent condition and performing at its best. During the test period, the phone was actually used a bit less than usual compared to previous testing with the smaller iPhone 17 Pro. On average, around 2 hours each day were spent on Instagram. That includes watching reels, scrolling through posts, and replying to direct messages, since Instagram was also being used as a messaging app. YouTube was another app used regularly during the test. Watching videos is usually one of the activities that consumes a lot of battery power, especially when the screen stays on for long periods of time. Most days involved fairly normal usage, but there was one day that stood out. On Saturday, there was a long car trip, which meant the phone was used much more than usual throughout the day. The screen was on for longer periods, checking maps, watching content, and using social media during breaks. Interestingly, even with that heavier usage on the trip day, the battery still did not fully drain in a single day. That was one of the most surprising results of the entire test. Despite more screen time and constant usage, the phone still had battery remaining by the end of the day. On lighter usage days, the battery drain was even smaller. Some days only used around 20% of the battery. With that kind of light usage, it becomes clear that the iPhone 17 Pro Max can easily last more than one full day on a single charge. In fact, with moderate use, the phone can comfortably last 2 full days without needing to be plugged in. In some cases, it might even stretch close to 3 days before needing a recharge. For a flagship smartphone with a large and bright display, those numbers are very impressive. Looking deeper at the data collected during the test gives us some interesting averages. When the numbers from several days are combined, the results show that the average screen time from a full 100% battery charge was about 9 hours and 23 minutes. When looking at only 80% of the battery, which is often how people charge their phones to protect battery health, the average screen time was about 7 hours and 31 minutes. Another way to understand battery efficiency is by looking at how much screen time you get for every 10% of battery used. In this case, the average was around 56 minutes of screen time for every 10% of battery. That means nearly 1 full hour of usage for each 10% drop, which shows just how efficient the phone's battery system is. What makes these numbers even more interesting is the comparison with the smaller iPhone 17 Pro. In earlier testing, the regular Pro model delivered about 5 hours and 20 minutes of screen time on average. So while some improvement was expected from the larger Pro Max model, the difference turned out to be much bigger than expected. Going from just over 5 hours to nearly 9.5 hours of screen time is a significant jump. With the iPhone 17 Pro, daily charging was almost always necessary. But with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, skipping a day of charging is very easy. For many people, charging every 2 days could become the normal routine. Battery size also plays a role in this improvement. Over the years, Apple has gradually increased the battery capacity in the Pro Max lineup, which helps deliver longer endurance with each new generation. It's also worth noting that some models may perform slightly differently. For example, the US version of the iPhone 17 Pro Max reportedly includes a slightly larger battery. That could mean even longer screen time for some users. In the end, real-world testing shows that the iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers excellent battery performance. For many users, it can easily last 2 full days on a single charge, which is something not many flagship phones can consistently achieve. Now the interesting question is how these numbers compare to your own phone usage. Are you getting similar screen time, or do your daily habits drain the battery faster?